My name is Skylar Cleaver. I'm the HR recruiter for International Aerospace Coatings. We paint all different types of aircraft: commercial, military, and then special order planes as needed. When we receive a plane from our clients, essentially it's a start to finish process. So we will do all the sanding, the grinding, the masking, and then finally the washing, and then the painting comes at the very end. It's really cool to see a plane when it comes in and then when it leaves.
My name's Jared Ponder. I'm a master painter here at International Aerospace Coatings. I started here completely entry level with no experience at all as a prepper. I worked as a prepper for about 11 months before I got the opportunity to become a painter. And from becoming a painter, it took me about 2 years to become a master painter and hundreds of paint shoots of experience before I really kind of mastered the skills.
One of the most time-consuming and detail-oriented tasks that we have to do here at IAC is the masking portion. This requires an incredible level of attention to detail because there can be no paint on any of the wrong spots.
I take a lot of pride in my work here, and I've always enjoyed seeing the final product get pushed out the door. I've always enjoyed the opportunities for more time to work and the opportunities that they give you to move up. It's a job that I've thoroughly enjoyed for the last 4.5 years, and I plan on continuing to do it for years more.
Brought to you by International Aerospace Coatings.